All right, so I got a problem and I want your opinion. A couple of weeks ago, I was back at Shopsmith in Dayton, Ohio, and was given the largest piece of Shopsmith memorabilia that I've ever received, but it's got a problem. Let me show it to you here real quick. And now you see the problem. Yeah, this is one of the signs that used to hang in the 50 retail stores that Shopsmith used to have. It's a beautiful 4-foot diameter redwood sign that's made from sandblasted redwood. And because it has been mounted and dismounted several times without much care for where they run screws, they've created a fault line. In fact, there are a location of 3 screws right on the grain that caused this to split apart. So I want to repair this and hang it on my wall, and I can think of several ways to approach this, but I'd like your opinion. So please leave a comment down below how you would attack this. Now, among the ways I think of repairing this, the easiest way would be just to glue it, because, what are the odds that this is going to be under any kind of stress? Well, it all depends upon how I eventually use this. I mean, this could make a really awesome table, and in that case, it probably needs to be reinforced a little bit. So maybe I would use my Shopsmith drill press, tilting the table 90 degrees and drilling in from the edge of this. Or perhaps I lay the machine flat in that same configuration and use it for horizontal boring. Of course, I could also use one of my many Craig pocket hole jigs, or even one of my biscuit joiners. Leave a comment below about what way you would tackle this, and be sure to report back, and make it a great day.